Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is Wanderlust. Now I love to travel, so I kind of have the opposite issue that I normally have, which is I have too many ideas, too many things that I want to do, but I want to keep it simple for this one because I've done a lot of painted spreads the last few days, a lot going on in them. So this one is going to be a bit more simple, more of just a collage. So I've been looking through all my stuff and I have like maps and things like that. I have tons of little postcards. I have more of those hot air balloon ones. And then I came across these two little images that I think are quite nice and just more about wandering instead of traveling. So I might incorporate those too. And then I have this luggage tag from my last trip, which was to Gran Canaria in December of last year. So that was my last trip, and I was thinking of maybe using this to create a background and then decorate it with these two. Like we have the green in it, so that might look nice. I really just not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to get started. I'm just going to put this down, just start doing something, and then I can always go over it if I don't like how it looks. I can probably even take it off. They're not that sticky, are they? I know they're pretty sticky. Let's just start doing stuff and see where we end up. This is from a Ryanair flight who I do not like flying with, but then I had to get them because of timing. Just the hour that the plane was flying just suited me better, so I had to get it. I'm not a fan. Like, they're fine, I guess. Their seats are not comfortable, and you know, they're not the nicest airline. But they are cheap. They're definitely budget friendly. I had this on my suitcase since, oh, this side isn't sticky at all. Since December I have my suitcase in my room because it's only a small one, a 10 kg one, but I'm using it to stop the cats from getting at the wires at the back of the computer. We have their computers in the bedroom, so that's why the label is so worn. I'm constantly moving it in and out. I'll go this way just for variety. This side is kind of interesting too. And the harp. Be a bit more interesting over those barcodes. Trying to find something that will suit this a bit better. This isn't using things like this isn't my usual way of journaling, so it's kind of hard for me to think of things. It might kind of work. It's like a luggage tag maybe. This trip was to Gran Canaria, so maybe I should find something summery. Ooh, that says traveler. That might work. I think I'll just add some of these because I honestly just don't know what to do. I think there's a lot going on there with these things and I don't want to end up covering them because they're kind of the point. So I think I'll just add this and maybe stain the edges. I think this phrase is good. The weather is suddenly cool, so it's time to turn the story, because I would usually go to somewhere like Gran Canaria when it's winter here. Oops, I need some Pritt stick. I was going to leave it here, but I just can't. It just doesn't go with anything else in the journal. Whereas this would be fine if I was doing like a normal, well not normal, a junk journal that is made up of junk and stuff. It would be totally fine, but this is more kind of an art journal than a junk journal, so it needs a little bit more. I don't want to cover it up entirely, so I'm thinking a piece of vellum with one of these, and then I have this washi with airplanes and stuff, some travel themed washi to go around here maybe. just something simple. Okay, and then this, not sure how I'll actually stick that down. I'm gonna put some washi just on it. Okay, I think that's down strong enough. Yeah, that's fine. So now, will I put a frame on the image? Which one will I use first? I think I'll use this one because I prefer having this solo person. And then the touches of green to go with the green. That's what you call the bag tag. Just that simple, just on the vellum, because our background is very busy. I think I've put down anything straight. Should I cut off the point on that? But I actually like the straight lines because there's so many straight lines. So I kind of defeat the purpose of using the vellum if I cover it with washi. Maybe on this side. Okay, we're going to leave it there for Wanderlust. Not my favorite one, but I am happy to leave it there. I'm happy to go with that spread. I'm happy to go with that spread. So that is it for today. That is Wanderlust, and thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.